Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. I hope all of you are doing well today. So if this is your first time on this channel, my name is Peter and I talk about how to make money online and everything that concerns making money online. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get a virtual dollar card for your online payments in Nigeria. So before I get into this video, and if this is your first time on this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and turn on your notification bell for you to get notified anytime I post this type of videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your Play Store. We're gonna make use of the app called the Raven app. So here it is, Raven. Now you can see I've already installed this app. I have this app installed in my phone. So what you have to do is you have to download this app, install it, and then you open it. So you're gonna open the app and then you're gonna sign up. But for me, I've already signed up, so I'm just going to log in. Now if you log into this app, it's gonna be like this. Now what you have to do first of all, before you get your virtual card, is you would have to deposit, because for you to get the virtual card you would have to at least have about 9,500 or approximately 10,000 in your balance here. So how can you deposit? You just have to click on this add money here, and then this is going to pop up. Basically, Raven is going to provide you with a Wema bank account where you can deposit. So what you have to do is you have to copy this account number and transfer the amount you want to fund your account with into this account number. That's Wema Bank. You're going to transfer money to this. So once you transfer the money, it's going to reflect here in your account balance. So after you've done that, what you have to do is you have to click on this place, this card. So once you click on it, this will pop up. So global payments, accessible anywhere, safe and secure. You'd have to click on proceed. Now this place is going to be empty because you've not set up any virtual card for any payment. So all you have to do here is to just click on this plus sign here. Now you're going to select virtual card. Then here you can select the type of color you want your card to be. It can be any of them here. So I'm going for this one. So you have to click on proceed. Now when you click on proceed, it will take you to this place where you'd have to name your card. You have to give it the name that you want. For example, I'm gonna name this card I'm gonna name it Amazon Shopping. So let's say I'll name mine Amazon Shopping. Now here you're gonna select the currency, dollar, US dollar. Then here you would have to put the amount you want to fund your card. The minimum you can fund your card with here is $12. If you put anything less than that, it's not going to work. So for example, let me say I'll put 5. You see, you need at least 12 US dollars to create a virtual card. So you would have to put in $12 here and click on proceed. Now it will have to take you to this page. You can see your card title that you choose and the color, Amazon Shopping, green color. the amount in the card, $10. Now, this place, they will have to deduct if an insurance fee of $2. That's for is basically like the card issuance fee. Sorry, the issuance fee. This is the fee that they will use to issue the virtual card to you. So they will deduct this from the $12 and you would have $10 remaining in your virtual card for your online transactions. Now, after this, you would have to turn this on. Okay, you say please view authorization fees. Okay, then you have to come down here and click on this. Now you can see the different charges on the different payments you would make. For example, if you make a payment from the range of $1 to $80, they're going to charge you $1 for it, for that payment. Whereas if you make from $81 to $150, they're going to charge you $2, and so on. Now I'm going to close this now. Then I can now turn this on. And then what you have to do is just click on this request card. Then you put your PIN, or you can use your fingerprint, and then I didn't deposit, so that's why it's writing insufficient balance. But for you, if you deposit, it's gonna take approximately let's say 2 days or less for them to process and issue your virtual Visa dollar card. So it's gonna take approximately 2 days. Now after that, for you to access your card, you would have to come back to this home menu here. Follow the same process. You click on cards, proceed. Now at this time, your card will appear here. After you've set up the virtual card, it's going to appear here. Then you're going to copy the details, and then you can use it to make your online payments. So that's it for creating a virtual dollar card. So let me know in the comment section if you actually enjoyed this video, if it was helpful to you. And if this video was helpful to you, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Assist me by subscribing to this channel and sharing this video to your friends. Thanks again for watching. See you in my next video.